The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.
For a pharmaceutical company with a high production capacity, having high-quality laboratories is of utmost importance. GM Pharma's Quality Control Department has established physical, chemical, and microbiological quality control laboratories, which guarantee high quality of the products manufactured by the pharmaceutical company. The reliability of the laboratory is determined by the professionalism of its employees, which is constantly improved by the company. The professionalism of the employees is reinforced by the annual professional testing that they engage in ever since the laboratory's establishment. Professional competitions are held in cooperation with a British company which operates around 3,000 laboratories in 160 countries. Since its establishment, the company has participated in similar competitions 30 times, during which about 100 results were analyzed. I would like to point out that all the results appeared in so-called green category. GM Pharma upholds all the national and international standards and owns certificates necessary for production. The company holds a GMP certificate issued by the Ukrainian regulator and the Georgian GMP certificate, and ISO 9001 standard, while the laboratories uphold the ISO 17025 standard, serving as proof of laboratory qualification. Accordingly, the company must host and undergo planned training and audits every year. 2023 is no exception, as we have already successfully passed the ISO 9001 audit at the beginning of February and the GMP audit by the Ukrainian regulator, while the repeated ISO 17025 audit is planned both in microbiological and physical-chemical laboratories.
The microbiological laboratory operates in three directions: the microbiological analysis of drug probes and suspicions, auxiliary means, and packaging. The laboratory has state-of-the-art technology and equipment. The possibilities of such equipment are great, as it allows us to fulfill all the processes and get detailed information, allowing us to get an accurate result. Modern technology, of course, requires knowledgeable staff too. We send our employees abroad for training and education, host webinars, and involve them in daily processes. All this allows us to conduct the most accurate research. Complete serial analysis of finished products, auxiliary products, semi-products, and pharmaceutical active ingredients is executed in the Quality Control Laboratory, where all the parameters included in the specification are evaluated. The laboratory is involved in various processes such as ongoing stability studies, process validation, delay validation, cleanup validation, verification of analytical methods, and approval and transfer. The latter means the introduction of new analytical tools within the laboratory. The lab is equipped with cutting-edge modern equipment, as we mainly cooperate with leading companies such as Toledo, Sartorius, Eureka, Shimadzu, and Waste Technique. Due to the increase in the number of pharmaceutical tests done at our lab in the last 4 years, our in-house analytical team grew by 65%. Today, there are 22 employees in the Quality Control Laboratory. Given that the company operates in Georgia and outside of it, we must fulfill the local and international standards, all reflected in audits that regulators carry out annually. It's a fascinating challenge from GM Pharma.
The Checkpoint is presented by GM Pharma, the first international multinational pharmaceutical company in Georgia. GM Pharma, to serve those who need it most.